Okay, so I've signed in to the student account, and you can see that I'm already set up in this class. I was already registered for the class, and you can see that there's some upcoming assignments already being sent to me. Now, what if I, as a student, what if I didn't already have this set up? What I would need to do is go up to this plus sign, click plus, enter class code to join, and this is where I would put in the code that I showed you earlier, the code for the class, and this would allow me or a student to join the class. Okay, let's jump into the class and see what it looks like from the student perspective. The student just clicks on Spanish 1 or whatever the name of the class is, and it brings up the stream. Here's the assignment that I assigned just a few minutes ago. Here's the announcement and some older things as well. As a student, I can go in and make a comment. Why? Because as a teacher, I allowed that to be an option. If you don't want that to be an option, you can remove that in the teacher account. I can also share ideas with the class if I want to, create a new post, and again, change that if you want to. I have a list of upcoming assignments, okay, due Monday, and then also I can click View All, and it will bring up the entire list of assignments. And if I have more than one class, I can quickly switch between classes. So this is really nice for students as well. It really organizes things for them. Notice that instead of a student's page, there's a classmates page. So as a student, I can click on classmates and it will list my fellow students. I can sort by first name or last name. And then that same about page that I showed you and I developed as a teacher, I can access that as a student now. And I can go in and I can see the shared folder that I set up earlier. And if you click it, it takes me to my Google Drive and to the Spanish first period folder where my work will be put and where the teacher can assign things to me. Okay, so let's take a look at the assignment that's coming up due on Monday. I'm just going to click on it. And here it is. And I didn't provide much instruction for myself here. But notice that I can go in and I can click Add to add my submission. So let's say I've looked at what the teacher sent me, I've done the work, I could upload it as a file, I could link to it, or if I did the work in Google Drive, I can just click Google Drive and pull in the paper or the worksheet that I've been working on. And then I can mark this as done. The teacher will get a message that this assignment is done as far as I'm concerned. Or I could leave it as not done. Also, I, as a student in this case, can go in and I can add comments to this project that I'm working on or this assignment. Okay, so I can add things, I can make comments. There's also a create button. Directly from this Google Classroom page, I can go in and start creating a Google document or a presentation or some of these other things. So I could just click create document, and it does take a little while. The document's been created, and here it is, and I could just click on it to start working on the Google Doc. And again, once I'm ready, I click Turn In, and this is sent to the teacher. And now I'm going to